This was a year which was dedicated to governance reforms for ease of living. And when you have to aim at ease of living, obviously, those who are assigned to facilitate this task should also have ease of working. So simultaneously, there was also a very conscious attempt to provide a work-friendly environment for the various officials in the different departments in the ministries. And of course, the underlying theme continued to be what it was in the beginning of this government in 2014, that is maximum governance, minimum government. And 2-3 basic bottom lines that have been followed up, which were also being followed up earlier, but now from the experience of the last 1 decade and having matured to the next level, we could do it possibly in a more efficient way than we were doing in the earlier years. All the unnecessary regulations, all the unnecessary rules were sought to be either done away with or simplified, as was being mentioned in this, and you would have realized. Secondly, there's a lot of pragmatism and practical approach, which was sought to be compatible with the requirements and the conditions of the age and times that we live in. And third, there was also a lot of innovative and human approach while doing all this. It was not only because the technology was used to a very optimum extent, but even the use of technology, there was also innovation of thinking. There's a lot of innovative thought went into this. Related to this was an increased outreach. For the first time, we have successfully also carried on our effort to move the Government of India from outside Vigyan Bhavan.